What's up, guys? Today we're gonna show off to this shit. I know this is the old days of Melon Slaver Show, but if you guys want it, go to Melon Slave Workshop. If you want to activate it, just do this. Let me showcase about it. First is like walking all the time. Oh, I also can eat too, so that's how the spinosuar works. And this is my Chainsaw Man build. I didn't get any from them, but it's kind of like this though. But I have an idea to fix that. First, I need to put Seek by Ga, and I need to hit it hard. Also make some lags though. And also kill Seek. And look, there it is. So if you guys want it, just go. Oh, I know how to make games already. I'm just showcasing.